Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a crucial component for modern networks, the BeMatik OM4 fiber optic cable. This particular cable is a multi-mode duplex fiber, designed specifically for high-speed data transmission across various network environments like your local area network, wide area networks, or even FTTX setups. What makes this cable stand out is its configuration and capability. It's a duplex cable, meaning it has two individual fiber strands bundled together, allowing for simultaneous sending and receiving of data. On one end, you'll find a duplex ST connector, a common bayonet-style connector known for its reliability. On the other end, it features a duplex SC connector, a popular push-pull connector. These are standard fiber optic connectors, perfect for connecting network switches, media converters, or other fiber-enabled equipment. It's important to note that despite some potentially confusing listings, this cable uses ST and SC fiber connectors, not RJ45. This specific cable is 20 meters long, providing a good reach for connecting devices within a room or across a moderate distance. The fiber itself is OM4 type. OM4 is a laser-optimized multi-mode fiber, which is a significant upgrade over older multi-mode types like OM1 or OM2. This optimization allows it to handle much higher bandwidths and longer distances, especially when used with modern laser-based transceivers. The core of the fiber, where the light signal travels, measures 50 micrometers in diameter, surrounded by a 125 micrometer cladding. This 50-125 micron standard is typical for OM3 and OM4 multi-mode fibers. The real power of this OM4 fiber comes in its performance specifications. It's designed to support data transfer rates of up to 10 gigabits per second over distances as long as 550 meters. While this specific cable is only 20 meters, it utilizes this high-performance OM4 fiber, ensuring that even at this shorter length, you get the full 10 gigabits per second capability with plenty of headroom and reliability. So, if you're building or upgrading a network that requires high-speed fiber connections between devices using ST and SC ports, this BeMatik OM4 20-meter cable is an excellent choice. Its OM4 rating guarantees a top-tier multi-mode performance for 10 gigabits per second applications, and the robust ST and SC connectors provide secure and reliable physical connections. It's a solid, high-quality cable from BeMatik that delivers on its promise of high-speed, dependable network connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.